Let me introduce myself. I'm Microscope, the penetrating private eye. I dig dirt. You may think you're clean, but I'll find the dirt wherever it's hidden. And what I find, I'll tell you about even when your best friends won't. Take a recent case. Two clean young people, you'd think? Well, things are not always what they seem. It all began when they saw each other in the local disco, and they liked what they saw.
We took the plunge, we've broke the ice, so tell me all about you. Your sneaker size, the shade of your eyes. Here, give us your hand and I'll...
Buster, some of your bits ain't nice.
You think that's clean, Buster? Well, I can give you a closer look. That's your skin seen really close up. And those lumps, they're bits of food. I deduce takeaway chicken eaten on the way to the disco. Finger licking just ain't good enough. You need a good wash after that. There's a whole lot of bacteria that live on your skin, and they like bits of food. Eating helps them breathe faster. Look at them over there. That's the edge of your fingernail. It may seem only a speck to you, but to this lot, it's a great lunch, dinner, and breakfast. These bacteria are even nastier, and are the kind you keep around if you don't wash your hands after you go to the lavatory. Yeah, if you want to keep down the bacteria, you gotta wash your hands. When you wash the bits of food off, that helps to stop the bacteria from breeding. And when you wash them after you go to the lavatory, that'll get rid of those really nasty bacteria, and so it's safe for you to handle food, either eating it or cooking it. Yeah, take a nail brush to them and you'll know they're clean, not just looking clean. Okay, Buster, back to the girl.
Look how fast my feet can fly when the music gets them going. I'm a groover, yeah, I'm a mover, yeah. Shake and stomp and shout.
Yeah, Ila, some of your bits, well, ain't nice.
Can't see anything wrong, eh? You did it before you came out, and you washed it only last Monday. Well, it's Saturday now, and yeah, take a look at this. That's grease in your hair. If you don't wash your hair, the grease will soon build up. And the same goes for dandruff, the original dead loss. So, unless you and the grease and the dandruff have really got something going together... Oh, she's got the idea. You need to wash your hair with shampoo every few days to get rid of the grease. Oh, and by the way, have you washed your brush and comb lately? Because there's plenty of yuck waiting to get back into your hair. Clean brush and comb, clean hair, what a combination.
I like the dance, and this way's fine, but let's get a bit more friendly. Close encounters are more my line. Let's see if we can...
Ugh, Buster, some of your bits ain't nice.
Okay, Buster, so you thought that was enough? That quick going over you gave your teeth this morning with your toothbrush? That's a toothbrush? You should see what I can see. That's one of your teeth in close-up. Take a good look. It may not be there for long. That's a layer of plaque. A mass of bacteria which sit on your teeth and eventually rot them if they get plenty of sugar to feed on. It gets your gums, too, in the end. And all those cigarettes you smoked have helped to make your teeth look really nasty. So altogether, it's no surprise that your breath coming out past those teeth is pretty deadly. Well, if you're gonna brush your teeth, not with that brush, do it slowly and well and for a number of minutes. While you're doing it, think about cutting down on the sugar you eat between meals. And remember, regular visits to the dentist. Okay, off you go.
Why don't we do this thing again? We really got the feeling. Hear that music? Let's get moving. Shake it, Busker. Take it.
Oh, Ila. Some of your bits ain't nice.
Well, Ila, you certainly hotted things up. When you were cool, you thought you were clean. But now, all those tight spots have warmed up. And it's in the hidden parts like the armpit and the crutch that the trouble starts. Now, there ain't nobody that doesn't sweat. If there are bacteria hanging around there because you haven't washed either yourself or your clothes thoroughly, you can expect a smell to get going that isn't fresh. Yep, a warm Ila can mean cool friends. What you need is a good wash all over to keep the bacteria from building up, especially around the private bits. And an underarm deodorant can help to keep that unpleasant smell at bay. Hey now, come on. Dirty clothes on a clean Ila. That doesn't make sense. Get rid of them. And now, clean underwear, right, every day if you can. And now the rest of them. All clean, and Cinderella can go back to the ball.
Hey, look at us. We're great, you and me.
You and me together, like strawberries and cream.
Well, like rhubarb and custard together we'll be.
Let's sit this one out, and we'll dream our sweet dream. Oh no! Not more about bits that ain't nice.
No wonder your feet are getting back at you. When you mistreat your feet, they're likely to run out on you. Those feet have been carrying a lot of weight and working hard at the same time. So, let's get the socks off and see the damage. See those marks on your feet, Ila? Your sandals were too tight. And Buster, you were wearing man-made fiber socks so your feet get sweatier quicker. Your feet should have a wash every day. Clean socks or tights. And well-fitting, no, not those, well-fitting boots or shoes. If you can keep your feet happy, you'll be happy. There it is then. Nothing's ever what it seems. But Buster and Ila got the real facts. But what's in it for them? Well, they'll keep each other and they'll keep their friends. In fact, they've really cleaned up.
Feeling good?
Yeah, feeling great. We're clean as we can be.
Head to toe.
Top to tail, we're brilliant, you and me.
All of our friends now talk to us.
I've noticed that.
I wonder why. Could it be?
I think it is.
All of our bits are nice.